Cookies. I've been talking about doing this for a while now, and the time has come. I now have YouTube memberships available to join on my channel, and I would love for y'all to join. So here's the tea. Here's the tea. This is what's going to go down on this part of the cookie jar. If you are someone who needs help with personal styling, you have some fashion questions that you've been just beating your head about, and you need a little bit more help on breakthrough, this might be for you. If you are the type of person that you're interested in content creation, or you feel stuck within this space and you need a little bit of help, baby, I have content creation themes every month for us to go through, dissect, and talk about. I'm going to be doing one video per month that is based on that theme, and another video per month answering your personal styling questions. I'm also going to be going live streaming with you guys every second Thursday of the month at 7 p.m. Eastern to talk about said content creation themes and answering personal styling questions, or noting them down in order to answer them within the designated video. I do feel like there might be opportunities where there might be an extra bonus video per month where I'm showing behind the scenes of working on either a campaign that I'm involved with, or working with a personal styling client or a creative project that I want to show you guys how I go about doing it. I'm really excited about doing the live streams as well, because I feel like we'll be getting to know each other a lot better. I'll be doing in real-time audits of your social media pages if you want me to. I think we're just going to have a really good kiki. And I've literally mapped out every month the concepts, everything from what type of mindset that is healthy to have within this space, how to navigate conversations as a content creator, how to create a media kit, how to pitch yourself, talking about the monies, all the things that I'm experiencing now and have experienced within the last couple of years, I want to share with you. And yeah, I also feel like my personal style is evolving again, and I want to walk through that. Now, listen, if you feel like this membership is not for you, do not fret. Nothing is going to change on the OG side of this channel. I'm still going to be posting every Sunday and Wednesday vlogs, as well as fashion focused content. So do not fret if this isn't for you. We're still going to be the same. It's still going to be raw and spicy on this side, dude. So listen, I'm very excited. I have a lot of things planned. I'm very open for feedback so we can change some direction as well. At the end of the day, I'm going to be very excited to get to the end of this year to see how all of us have evolved within our relationship, as well as the growth that you will have on your personal style, as well as your content creation. So go ahead, hit that join button, and I'll see you on the flip side. I'm so excited. Thank you, cookies. I'll see you later. Bye.